How to hide or unhide activity status on REDnote app. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open REDnote app. After opening REDnote app, simply log into your account. After you have logged into your account, click on three lines located on top left corner of your screen. Then you'll find settings on bottom left corner of your screen. Then simply click on privacy settings. In here, you'll find activity status below protection mode. To turn on, you can do visible to followers I follow back, or public, which is visible to all. Or to turn it off completely, you can click on off, close activity status. That's how to hide and unhide activity status on REDnote app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.